All right, guys, today is finally the day that you have been all waiting for. The Vossen wheels are going on the GsF. I just came back from my dyno day. That video is going to be coming up in a few days. I got to get all that clips aligned. But for now, I got my slave here, Mike, loosening the lug nuts, which he seems to be struggling with because he doesn't go to the gym. But here are the Vossens. I got them all set up. These are the two front ones, two rear ones right there. Homeboy working. So we're gonna jack this car up, throw these bad boys on. And as you know, in the front, I am going to be running 10mm spacers, left and right, with my open-ended Muteki wheel nuts. At first, I'm not gonna run any of the lug nuts, the locks that I have, because I'm still gonna adjust the height front and back if need be. So I'm just gonna put the regular lug nuts on, get these wheels on, and see how it sits. All right, guys, the moment of truth. We're lowering this bad boy. We're gonna do the other side. I still have to reprogram the TPMS sensors.
You can do it by yourself?
I bought a Carista. I'll show you how. It's a little toggle you put in.
Then do additional fucking sick.
All right, guys, we put the Vossens on, but they don't fit, so we gotta return them and sell them. Let's take these off, right, Mike? Just kidding, guys. We forgot to put the spacer on.
Resale value is gonna kill you.
No, they fit perfectly. Don't listen to anything I'm saying. We just forgot the 10mm spacer on this side, so we're gonna throw it on to get that flush fitment, so we could go win some shows with these beautiful looking wheels. All right. All right, guys, the wheels are on. The car has not settled yet because we haven't driven it. We're gonna do that in a minute, even though it is pouring rain outside. But I have my TPMS numbers, and I'm gonna show you guys how to program your TPMS using Carista app. So let's hop into the car. You're gonna connect your OBD2 to the OBD port underneath, somewhere here. Okay, and then you hop in the car and power it on. All right, guys, so once you open the Carista app, you go to TPMS sensors. And so these are my original TPMS codes, which I'm going to take a screenshot of so I could have them for future references. But now what I'm going to do is go into each one of these, and I'm going to replace them with the new codes. And if you're doing this for the first time, it will tell you to pay, which is a subscription fee of $40 a year, but I already paid that. So as you can see, I changed the first sensor, and that is the first number that I had here. So I'm gonna go through all of these and put the new sensor information in so the car can remember all of these new numbers. All right, guys, we have put in the new codes with Carista, and look at that. It is showing our new TPMS pressures. So we are good to go. Let's go take this car for a drive and get it flying out and see how it actually looks. All right, guys, this is it. This is what you've been waiting for all these months. It is pouring rain. I'm out here in the rain getting wet to provide this content for you. So 15 mil spacer, perfect. I'm sorry, 10 mil spacer. You can see it right there. 10 mil spacer. Looks pretty flush with the fender. It's not poking too much. Nothing is rubbing. Look how good that looks. Then we move it back. Back looks pretty good too, no rubs yet, so we could maybe go a tad bit lower. But you know, when it's not raining, I'm gonna figure all that out. But for now, as it sits, I mean, I have no complaints. It actually looks pretty damn decent with the way it's sitting right now. Let's move over to the passenger side. Give you that angle view. Look at that. That looks pretty good, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Follow my Instagram, Bullets Garage GsF, because that's where I post all the pictures of this car. But I think I am super happy with it. So make sure you guys subscribe, and we will be back with more videos.